Uy, mukhang kompleto na yung app sa Huawei App Gallery. Especially on the Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Finally. Before, kapag meron kang Huawei, ang hirap. Walang Google, walang GCash, walang BPI, walang Grab. Ngayon guys, kompleto na po lahat yan. Ito, I'm watching YouTube right now. O di ba? You're watching YouTube inside YouTube. May Gmail na, may Chrome pa, may CapCut pa. Meron pang Instagram. Wala na guys, tapos na. It looks like this year talaga nag-level up na po si Huawei in terms of the completeness of their apps in their Huawei App Gallery. Siguro kabili mo lang ng Huawei Mate 80 Pro. It's a nice phone, I know. Beautiful camera, beautiful design, amazing performance. Pero kasi, panagalangan ka, baka walang siya na apps. Kasi Huawei, alam mo na. Pero ngayon, i-check natin kung kompleto ba talaga siya. I'm Sabines, you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Siguro, napanood nyo na yung aking review nito. Matindi to. It's got one of the best specs you will ever see on a phone, especially the camera. Pero ngayon guys, syempre, gusto mo lang alamin kung meron po siyang mga Google or mga ibang apps na hindi available before sa Huawei App Gallery, which is a bummer. Ito guys nag-check na ako sa App Gallery. Ito po siya, home screen, and look at this. A much updated App Gallery. Mas marami na. May Mobile Legends na. May Genshin Impact pa. Call of Duty, di ba? Kompleto. And we even have Netflix here. And it works. Ito nanonood kami ng Netflix dito. Yes, totally works. 100%. Syempre, maganda pa yung display natin. Sayang naman kung maganda display mo, pero hindi ka papanood ng Netflix or YouTube. Sa YouTube po, ito po siya. See that? It's so seamless. Walang problema. Napag-login pa ako, no problem. May notifications? Wala na. It's over. Speaking of YouTube or Netflix, wow, it's got the 6.75-inch OLED Huawei X True display with 2832 by 1280 resolution. Meron pa siyang 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness. Grabe na, 1440 Hz PWM for low light eye comfort and HDR vivid photo and video. Oh, by the way, speaking of YouTube, tinry namin kung gaano katibay yung battery niya. So, nanood kami ng YouTube under reduced phone screen brightness. After 8 hours, meron pa rin siyang 67%. And then, after around 20 hours, nag-shutdown na yung phone. Talagang kaya niya mag-binge watch. Now, after watching YouTube for hours and running out of battery, here's how fast the 100 watts wired supercharge is. 24% para sa 0 to 15 minutes, tapos 30% for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, that is fast charging. Meron din siyang very useful Google Suite, local essentials, AI tools, a very thoughtful and helpful gesture from Huawei. Sa BPI, ito po yung itsura sa BPI, guys. Siyempre, baka nag-aalan kayo, baka hindi nyo magamit yung mga favorite bank apps nyo. Important yan sa inyo, ng mga katulad yung mga businessmen, mga professionals katulad nyo. May BDO, Facebook, Angkas, Grab, Shopee. We even get Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and much, much more. Wait lang, baka may ginagawa kang magic dyan, Beans. Baka may special na process pa, step by step. Guys, ito lang yung gagawin nyo. Just like the usual, Play Store, iOS, App Store. Ito na, punta ka lang sa App Gallery. O, search ako YouTube O, diba? Lumabas si YouTube. Then, install. Ayan, na-install ko na siya. Or, punta tayo sa App Gallery, Me, Updates, tapos Update All. Diba, hindi na siya pa isa-isa? It's now a mature App Store. So yes, you can actually use your very essential tools, your most essential apps, YouTube Playback, ayan. Gmail, ito Okay, send tayo ng email. Wala na may nag-email sa akin, ayun notification. Just like normal. Alam ko, medyo kailangan ko pa ipakita sa inyo. Kasi, guys, alam niyo naman nangyari talaga. It's not that easy. Alam ko sa Android, sa iOS, wala lang to. Normal lang dapat to. Pero, yeah, it's actually something worth noting. Especially if you're a Huawei user. So, ito, transact tayo sa GCash. Yes. Napag-transact ako. Walang problema. Shopee, ito, pwede mag-shopping dito. Walang problema. Apps are great. But, is the system fast enough to deliver yung pag-switch na apps? Ito na, guys. So, nag-install kami ng Mobile Legends. Ito pala yung specs niya, guys, This thing has a 16GB RAM, 512GB of storage, 120Hz intelligent refresh rate. Meron siyang 21% exceptional performance versus the Mate 70 Pro. Syempre, gumagamit siya ng Kirin 9030 Pro chipset, which can actually do this. Sa Mobile Legends, Genshin Impact, guys, pang-flagship na talaga ang kanyang performance. Nice. Ito pa yung setting sa Call of Duty, di ba? Okay. Genshin Impact, naku guys, smooth na smooth, walang problema. Finally, it's here. At syempre, matibay rin siya. Tutuong-tutuo, guys. Syempre, naka-IP69 water and dust resist na po to. Kahit sobrang lamig, kahit sobrang init, kahit sobrang lalim, kaya po niya. Well, wag lang sa dagat, guys. Sa ocean. Pwede swimming pool, pwede. At kahit ilang beses siya mahulog, guys, wala paling problema. Matibay na matibay ito. Dahil naka-Kunlun glass po siya. So, syempre, AI ready na rin po siya. May mga ChatGPT na po siya. Oh, by the way, you can actually double tap the home button, launch the AI assistant. Ayan po. And you can ask it anything. For example, translate itong Chinese word. Tapos, pwede ka rin mag-ChatGPT dito. Kunwari, meron kang problem, pa-answer mo lang sa kanya ng parang ganito. O, di ba? Or in my case, like ko siya ginagamit for my captions dito sa YouTube. Title, yung thumbnail, Ayun na po guys, ginagawa ko siya dito. And if you need help, Huawei also highlights its 24/7 professional ecosystem service support with hotline, live chat, and Facebook support options. So that if you have any problems sa inyong Huawei Mate 80 Pro, i-chat nyo na sila. Going the extra mile. Love that. So yun na, mukhang kompleto naman po siya. Although, siguro may mga konting apps pa na baka kasi may hinahanap ka dyan na di mo mahanap dito, nag-expect ka. Pero, what matters is most essential apps are here. And you can use your Huawei phone just like any Android phone or iOS phone. Baka kasi proud na proud ka sa Huawei phone mo. Kaya lang, hindi mo siya magamit ng usually. Well, don't fret. Huawei is here to help. Huawei is making your life much easier. Sayang naman, ang ganda ng camera. Sayang naman. If you want the best camera, it's only from Huawei. Pero kasi, syempre, hindi naman camera lang binili mo eh. You actually bought a phone. And hopefully, this phone has everything that you'll ever need. Speaking of updates, if you need more Huawei updates, Huawei reviews just like this one, ano ba gagawin? Subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my great content. Thanks for watching Unbox Series. Ooh.